What's up guys, welcome back to ROMs for you. Today let's look at performance review of latest Gladiator 3.0 Joker edition. I will be covering basic usability test, benchmarks, CPU throttling test, BGMI bootcamp, hot drop gameplay with FPS. Also, we will talk about all the cons and pros of this ROM. As an addition, I will be adding phone temperature check while gaming as well as benchmarking. So before getting started, if you are new here, sub to the channel would be really appreciated. Yes, the ROM is a gaming build and it is based upon MIUI 12. If you see about font session, the build is from RAGNAR and Gladiator 3.0 Joker edition. The ROM got 1st June 2021 security patch. The kernel they are using is perf, which is a balanced kernel I believe. When comes to security session, the ROM does has all the IR face unlock, fingerprint and more. All works pretty faster and reliable. Out of the box, the ROM is not encrypted. Another important change you can notice in this ROM is with power menu. You will get a advanced power menu with customized icons, which is kind of okay I believe. There is MIUI cam app present and it is updated from MIUI 12.5 and all features works great. Apart from this, all other options are almost same as MIUI 12. But it is optimized one. App opening animations are pretty smoother even with latest control center. I didn't face any lags. Out of the box, the safety net is not passing. Also, Google Play protection is not present. When comes to benchmark, the AnTuTu scores 3,39,000 plus and Geekbench scores for single core 494 and multi-core 2028. Which are decent scores but not that much great one. To understand more about performance, I am adding CPU throttling test for 30 minutes with phone temperature measure enabled. If you see, the current phone temperature is 44 degrees Celsius, which is expected since I have finished benchmarking. I will be showing you the phone temperature after finishing this CPU test with CPU performance graphs. So as you see, the graphs are always been near to 2 lakh GIPS and there are drops noticed, but the ROM is able to improve its own self. After finishing 30 minutes of CPU test, the temperature raised up to 54 to 55 degrees Celsius, which is kind of normal. Now that the CPU test is over, let's do a gaming test with bootcamp hot drop. CPU temperature measurement is enabled and as an addition, FPS and screen recorder also enabled. So the starting temperature was 46 degrees Celsius and after 30 minutes of gaming, the phone temperature raised up to 56 degrees Celsius, which is kind of normal I believe while gaming. Now that the gaming is going on, let's talk about the bugs I have noticed. First, there is some UI lags noticed while taking settings panel, but not all the time. Second, the boot time. Each time you reboot your phone is gonna take nearly 1 minute to boot up, which is kind of annoying. Third one, there is jitters while opening QS panel while game is on. You will find this in gameplay. Fourth one, I was facing issues with Gyro in some moments. This also you can find in gameplay. Finally, the failed safety net checks and Google Play protection. You will be able to fix this by Magisk, I believe. But still, it is a problem if you don't want to root your phone. The gaming experience was good in this build, but not that mind-blowing one. There was frame drops and lags noticed. Leaving this behind, the ROM is smoother with UI performance. If you want, you can update a performance-based kernel for better experience. So that's it guys, this was my impression about Gladiator 3.0 OS. Hope this video was helpful to you. Keep on watching gameplay with FPS. Till next time, be safe and take care.